Now let's show you how to remove the automatic roof nice and easily. Just 1 or 2 bolts, guys, to save you time messing about.
Okay, 1 done. Done. Oh yeah. Fucking hell. Something just flew into my fucking eye. Oh, my eye. Dying. Wear protection, guys. Don't do any shit. Fucking all sorts of shit can follow you. Oh, fuck. This I'm gonna wrap for the other car. Oh, now we can see. Now we can nicely see what it's all fucking holding on by. And we can see it's a bit of a motherfucker. What the fuck is all this shit? Maybe I just undo this instead of this. Let's have a go, actually. Okay, next we need to get this fucking roof to open. Because we basically need to get to the back. And I think it's got to be connecting here. Oh, fuck it, I think we just unscrew everything that we can see and see what moves. I don't think we'll actually achieve anything by taking this off, because this thing is purposely holding it in place so it doesn't move, which is good in terms of safety, but a motherfucker in our case. So I think we need to somehow fucking move it off the place. Okay, finally I've managed to get it open, and the trick was you need to unscrew. What the fuck do you need to unscrew now? I'll show you on this side. Fucking hell, this is painful. So all you need to unscrew is just this one little bolt here. You don't even need to unscrew this, because once you take this off, this just slides back, and voila, the roof comes up. So I better screw all this shit back on so I don't lose it. Sorry guys. So basically you need to twist this, and then that thing is moving, and then hopefully we'll be able to now fold the roof back. Hopefully. So keep twisting it.